Okay, so I want you guys to understand how serious we are here at Casa de Cerubi at a driveway maintenance during a blizzard. That is a tree. It doesn't normally look like that. It does right now. There's snow. There's my dog. There's some shots for you, Kirby. I know you're going to be really excited. Well, definitely almost just fell. I have to duck to get under this tree because it is so weighed down with snow. Alright, and now into the tundra. I will be careful, Mom, because that tree has been dropping branches like a motherfucker all night. Okay. Here are the mountains of snow. This is our driveway. Alright? Look at that. Look at those beautiful valleys. Look at this clean, pristine driveway. Let's take a look at some neighbors, shall we? Falling down on the job. No, really, we're just insane. No one on our street shovels their driveways like maniacs every hour like we do. Here's the snow. Here's my feet going in the snow. In the snow. In pajama pants. I'm not wearing underwear. I literally got no panties on. There's our mailbox. Hi, mailbox! There's the tree and the power line. I'm really not happy about that. The power has gone on and off 4 times. Yeah, not pleased. Anyway, case in point, there's my car. That's my car. Anyway, oh, look, a plow! Oh, there's a plow coming. Oh, he's doing someone's driveway. Yeah, literally. We've never owned a snowblower. We've never had someone plow out our driveway. I don't even know what it is about our family that we choose to, like, not spend money on that one thing, but we do. We are militant about this driveway. We are out here, like, every 2 hours. And this snow is fucking heavy, man. It's a nightmare. Look at that tree. It doesn't usually hang like that. And those branches are on the ground. Like, literally, they've fallen off. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up now. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Now we're gonna go through the tunnel. The tunnel of weighted down snowy tree. Oh, look at the puppy. Oh, hello. Hi, Jalen. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Psst. Jalen. Hi. I know. Okay. Bye, guys.